Are you facing computer-related problems? It is so frustrating when something is not working when you need it most, no matter where your problem came from. Software or hardware crashes. Got blue screen of death. No internet connection. System is so slow. Network issues or viruses. Getting your PC repaired is essential. Don't try to repair your PC yourself if you are not a computer technician. Improper repair attempt can lead to more errors, irrevocable data loss, and future problems. Finding a certified professional is the best way to get your PC repaired. That's why TechOS are here to help. Backed by years of IT training and experience, our technicians are dedicated to making your repair swift, effective, and affordable. Whether it's a PC, laptop, Mac, server, or network repair, we take each project with care and responsibility to get the job done right the first time. Why us? We come to you, home or business. Free on-site estimate. No call-out fee or traveling charges. We aim for same-day service. While we are working on site, you can watch as your device is being fixed. Ask about things you don't understand. Know how to take better care of it. We also offer pickup and drop-off service to our shop. Delay in repair can lead to more problems, so call us today at 780-999-3432. Or for more info, visit our website www.techos.ca or send us an email at info@techos.ca.